Today morning there was a news that a Jaipur man dies and he was a student while he was using a Bluetooth device while it was in charging. It was a very unfortunate incident. In today's era when all of us is using a Bluetooth or a wireless devices, so how safe these are? That's what we are going to talk about in this few minutes. Please watch it to the end. I will also give the suggestions for this. My name is Dr. Amin Mannan. So wireless devices or a Bluetooth devices, as we know, is a becoming a part and parcel of our life. We use in several places, like for data transfer, for file transfers from the tablets in our phones. We use it for in the our cars. We are using it in external devices. We are also using it in camera for data transfers. These are becoming a part, not only becoming like useful devices, but it sometimes also becoming our style icon. Like nowadays find that there are certain earbuds which is being used, and that's earbud is actually cause the harm to that particular man. Now from a child to a old age person to a different age groups of people, all are using either wireless devices, okay, maybe for listening music, for entertainment, or maybe they're using it for good purposes, like for the teaching, like when online teaching is going on or a blended learning which is going on. So we are asking here a question: is it good or is it bad? Okay, that's a question. If you look into the CDC guidelines, the CDC has recommended that the CDC has observed that there are around 15% of the children's, they are getting affected by this ear damages, and these damages are permanent damages because the ear cells are very sensitive, and these are due to the environmental causes. Yes, noise pollution do cause the effect, but also these devices, earphones, earheads or external speakers do causes these kinds of damages. In 2015 there was one petition was signed. These are approximately like 247 scientists from 42 countries had stated that these devices, they releases the electromagnetic fields, and some people they call as a radiations, and they can damage the DNA or the proteins and causes the cancers. It can also can cause a neurological disorders. Now if you look into the permissible, so there is a hazard. So if you look into the permissible limit, so in a normal day to day in our conversation we hear like 50 to 60 decibels. If someone whispers, it is around 16 to 20 decibels. While you are listening to a lecture or you are listening to a music, they are in a range of 70 to 80 decibels, or say 85 in some devices. But when you are increasing the volume, that's why you will see that in some of the devices it will say that is it okay, they ask you that warning sign, is it okay to increase the device, and if you're increasing the device to its max volume, then it can reach up to 105 to 110 decibels. Now in the table you can see the permissible limits is around less than 4 minutes. So if you're listening to a music more than that, then it might cause a damage to the ears, and that's what the CDC actually observed, because we find that the childrens are using these devices. So what is the suggestion? What shall we not use them? Because as the scientists were saying that it can cause a damage, but there is a long-term study so far has not given a concrete results. But some of the suggestions which even doctors recommend is, instead of using a earbuds or earphones, use a headphone. Okay, the headphone with a noise cancellation devices might reduce the external noises so that you can lower the volume, and it could be a beneficial. Or you can use an external sound system, like even if you see your mobiles, they or in the laptops, they do have external devices. And very most important point is that never ever use that while even not about these devices, even for your phones while it is charging. Some people have these bad habits that they put it into a charging and then while using it as a speaking. Never do that, because it can cause a unfortunate event like what happened happened in the news. So these are my suggestions for you. This is not I am saying foolproof suggestions. You can also put your suggestions in the comment. If you like this video and you find it too informative, please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and please put the like icon button so that I can be put more motivational or informative videos like this. Thank you very much.